Hello, my name is Mariella Baldo and I teach in the Business Office Systems program. The Business Office Systems program includes 10 courses. This is our comprehensive certificate, so if you have taken other certificates in the program, you may be able to apply your courses towards this program. Some of the courses that we teach in this program are keyboarding, Windows, Word, Excel, Business Communication, and Business Math. In addition, you will learn basic bookkeeping and career skills for the workplace, which help you obtain and maintain a job. After successfully completing the Business Office System program, students may transfer to the Certified Bookkeeper program in the credit side or other programs in the Business Information Technology department. Some students may apply to jobs, for example, in the accounting, administrative, and clerical fields. If you're interested in taking courses in the Business Office System program, please go to the schedule of classes and click on the subject, Business Noncredit.